Hello and welcome to the course, How to Use Facebook Live Videos to Scale Your Business. So the first thing that we want to address is what exactly is Facebook Live? And Facebook Live is a live streaming feature built within the platform that allows you to broadcast a live video directly to your feed. Now, we want to make sure that we give you a quick how-to on how to set it up. So in order to start a live broadcast from your personal timeline, you can go onto your Facebook app, and it doesn't matter if you have iOS or Android, both versions have this feature. You're going to tap from your newsfeed or timeline, and then what you're going to do is you are going to select live broadcast. It's going to ask you if you want to make a description for your live broadcast, and then you're going to tap go live to begin that broadcast. Pretty straightforward and pretty easy. So next, what's going to happen is you see we've highlighted the go live button. This is what's going to happen, and there's going to be a live feed that's going to pop up, and then you will be up and going. And so you're going to be using your mobile phone's camera to record yourself. And this is a very, very great way to let your followers know exactly what you're up to right at the moment. And so if you're at a special event, if you are doing something really cool, if you find yourself with a sudden rush of inspiration and you want to deliver a very personal message, you have that ability to use this feature to get that message out in real time. So just as a quick recap, you want to make sure that you say something about the video, put a little description in the box, just so that way anyone that happens to be scrolling is going to know what your particular post topic is going to be about, whether it's I'm at this concert, I'm at this great event, or I have a very important motivational message to deliver to you. And you want to make sure that you press the blue go live button in the map's top right corner, like we showed you in the previous page. And you want to make sure you follow the instructions for checking into your current location if you need to. You also want to be sure to enter a short, carefully planned description using your best keyword and select the audience. And you can select anyone, make it public, or you can select just your friends only or a specific group that you have set up with a group page. And last, you're just going to hit next. So if you prefer to control your own recording options, you can also install and use broadcasting software such as Obs Studio, which is open source video recording and live streaming software free for you to download. And it's free, so there's no risk. We would encourage you to download it, play with it, and try it out if you have an interest in playing with or adjusting your own options. Now, you can use this to create a stronger relationship with your followers. And what you're also going to be doing is you're going to be attracting organic Facebook Live fans desperate for live streaming content. And this is, of course, provided that you are using it from your public page and not within a closed group. Now, if you are using a page that is a closed group and not public, you can use this to share insider tips with the Facebook group members, and you can give them exclusive access to direct live content from you that won't be found anywhere else. Now, what you're doing with that essentially is you are making your Facebook group members a part of your life so they can see you apply your own coaching principles in your day-to-day living. And as we said before, they're getting a real, true inside peek and a much more personal, intimate look and view into who you are and what you're about and what you do. And this is a great, great way and very powerful way to draw a very strong and deep connection with your Facebook group or your followers on your feed. And so building on what we've said previously, another great thing about Facebook Live is that it allows you to satisfy Facebook users' need for interaction, connection, and immediate gratification. And so by giving them that instant access, you can satisfy that need that your followers or your fan base has. And you're also building powerful links by leading people to your website and to your landing pages, which is extremely important for helping to grow your business and grow it to either a target audience or just to a broader audience in general. And what's really powerful is leveraging the internet platform of Facebook, where you have hundreds of millions of users that will help you expand your community faster than you would expand it by most traditional methods, because you can be in front of a live audience that is virtually unlimited. And so you have a much greater reach and a much greater impact to a much, much, much higher target audience of people than you would by doing traditional methods such as local advertisements or going door to door. Now, what you can also use Facebook Live for is to increase your credibility and authority almost instantly. Because you can use a live broadcast to put yourself in the center of the action or to be the first one to deliver some news or some insight, you are establishing yourself as a credible, trustworthy source and authority on your particular subject. And that's something that you want to establish for your business. And Facebook Live is a great, great prime tool in order to enable you to do that. So that is all that we have for this introductory lesson. We will see you in the next lesson.